Hi, in front of me is ESSENTIELB HeYou 60 and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this device. First of all, you need to go into menu. Now click on the search bar and type recorder. Then click on sound recorder over here, choose allow and tap on this mic icon to start your recording. You can pause it and unpause it by clicking on the same button, but if you wish to end your recording and save it, click on the red one over here. Now name your recording however you wish to and choose save. As you can see, my recording was successfully made and saved. You can always delete it by clicking on the 3 dots next to it and selecting delete. Then confirm your choice by tapping on delete again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!